What if the darkest secrets of World War II were never destroyed, but just buried? Imagine this: a popular hiking trail in the Alps suddenly collapses, but it's not just a landslide. As rescuers clear the debris, they find something that shouldn't be there: a massive steel door, sealed shut since 1945, set right into the face of the mountain. What they found behind it would rewrite a chapter of history we thought we knew. As crews finally forced the door open, a blast of icy air rushed out from a tunnel carved deep into the rock. This wasn't some natural cave system, it was a fortress. The team stepped inside and found themselves in a colossal underground complex, a hidden Nazi weapons factory perfectly preserved, like a time capsule trapped in stone. For decades, it had been right under everyone's feet, a secret completely unknown to the world. Walking through the tunnels was like stepping back in time. The air was freezing and a thick layer of dust covered everything. But beneath the dust, the scene was eerily untouched. Rusted railway tracks snaked through the darkness, leading to enormous steel chambers. Old, forgotten control panels with German labels lined the walls. It was clear this was a massive production line, built in total secrecy to escape the eyes of Allied bombers. Historians quickly connected it to the infamous Project Riese network of secret Nazi underground facilities, but this one was different. It was lost, forgotten, and unbelievably intact. The real shock wasn't what they expected to find, like unfinished weapons or machinery. It was what they didn't expect: entire workstations looked like they were abandoned in the middle of a shift. Tools were still laid out on benches, as if a worker just set them down for a moment. Crates, half-packed with supplies, were stacked neatly against the walls, waiting for a transport that never came. It was as if thousands of people vanished overnight, leaving their entire world frozen in time. The atmosphere was heavy, a ghostly reminder of a workforce that simply disappeared into the chaos of the collapsing regime. As explorers pushed deeper, they found clues scattered across the dusty floors, scrawled notes on scraps of paper, faded blueprints detailing complex machinery, and tattered ledgers filled with numbers and names. These were chilling glimpses into the final, desperate days of the war. They painted a picture of immense pressure, paranoia, and the frantic race to build weapons that could turn the tide. Each document was a puzzle piece, helping historians understand the true scale and purpose of this hidden world. What were they building here, and why was it abandoned so suddenly? The deeper they went, the more incredible the discoveries became. The tunnels opened up into huge machine halls, cathedral-like caverns carved out of the solid rock with impossible precision. The sheer size of these rooms was staggering. You could fit entire buildings inside them. Standing there, surrounded by the silence and the shadows, you could feel the immense effort and resources poured into this underground city. It was a testament to the terrifying ambition of the Nazi war machine and the lengths they went to protect their industrial secrets from the bombs raining down on Germany. These were not just factories, they were monuments to a dark ideology, built to last an eternity, hidden from the world. This discovery is more than just an old factory. It's a physical chapter of history, sealed away and waiting for us to read it. It raises so many questions. What other secrets are still buried beneath our feet, hidden in mountains or lost to time? The world is full of forgotten places and untold stories, and this is proof that there's always more to uncover. Standing inside that mountain, you realize that history isn't just in books, it's all around us, waiting for that one lucky break, that one collapsed trail to be revealed. For the first time, we're seeing what was buried under decades of silence. If you're fascinated by lost history, hidden structures, and unbelievable real-world discoveries just like this one, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We're just getting started on this journey, and you won't want to miss what we uncover next. Thanks for watching.